about time. Got a video for y'all. Sorry for all the dirtiness and all that too, but no address. But it's finally here. We're gonna crack it open. This ain't gonna be no, little fancy video, all that. Let's crack this bad boy open. It's not gonna be a fancy video. This is gonna be cut straight raw, what it's really like when you get your unbox here. So just a heads up, if you haven't read the description, because I'm definitely gonna put it in it. This is the unboxing of the, I hope I ain't put no address and stuff in there, but this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Galaxy 20 Ultra 5G. Not only that, let me see if I can show y'all without giving too much info. So 512. All right, finally got it. It took fucking forever. My goodness, man. It's supposed to be due on the 6th. I didn't get it till, I mean, I guess it ain't take forever, but when you're pre-ordering it and you know what I mean, you're really expecting it that day, and then you have to wait the weekend and coronavirus and all that other stuff going on and shit, slowing shit down. So still cracking it open, but a lot of that was kind of slowing the whole process down. So back of it one more time, front of it one more time, cracking it open. So it's like it's kind of stuck. Okay, there we go. So comes with the little pin, of course, get you inside your SIM card unlock. I'm trying to show y'all everything just so y'all know how it really is. I know some of these unboxings have been just for like the test models and stuff like that, so sorry for the picture and all that, but hey, raw cut. These are just the terms, conditions, terms and warranty info and all that good stuff. And finally, oh shit, a little screen protector. They say to leave that on there, but I'm gonna get a new one. Man, sorry, my hands is rough, y'all. I work heavy and hard. My head all crazy too. I know y'all see my reflection, but yeah, there it is right there. Old phone in my hand, new phone also in my hand. We're gonna test out that scope. Now, one thing I definitely want to test too is this guy said that a lot of the models had a little shaking going on when the camera isn't engaged. There's like some shaking going on with like the stabilizer that was inside. So this is going to be the first shake. We're going to find out if the unboxing customer models have that issue. Hopefully not. I'm really twisting my fingers right now. You could barely hear it, but I do hear it. It's not loud, but you can definitely hear it. I don't know though. The video I seen, it was pretty loud, so you can hear it a little. But when that camera gets engaged, that sound is supposed to stop. But I'm not really gonna be paying attention to it. But yep, I did get the all black. So this is the all black. I'm trying to keep. There's a lot of glare, but all black model. Screen protector still on. I know y'all. What else is in the box? SIM card. Charging cord. And wall brick. That's what I call it, at least. I believe this is a... I'm trying to read it. I'll let y'all read it with me, just so y'all can get that charging info right there. I think it's like a 25 watt or something like that. But then you can also buy and get the there's another one that goes up to, I believe, 45 or 40 watt, and of course the AKG headphones. And I'll be testing it out and let you guys know how my honest review and opinion on it. This phone here is going to be lasting me a long while. And just to give y'all a heads up too, I did end up getting a case for it too. So this is just the case I got to go along with it. You know? It has a little magnet back. Real classy, like, you know. But yeah, I'll give y'all my honest opinion, let y'all know what's going on. Unboxing real quick. I'm not gonna waste y'all's time. Real quick, straight up in there, unboxing of the Galaxy 20 Ultra 5G. I'll let y'all know.